So how much would an adjuster basically make? Just a standard adjuster. You know, let's not even break them out into auto, property, or just what does an insurance adjuster make?
Well, it depends on if you're staff or if you're independent.
Okay.
You know,
What's
it really the independents some make day rate. They're just paid a flat rate every day to go out,
how much?
and then some. It depends on how you negotiate with that particular firm that you're working for.
Okay.
Or the company even in that case.
Right. There's fee schedules.
Okay.
That are involved, and you get a percentage of that. So the insurance company will say that, and it's tiered differently. Each one has their own, so you can't just say it's just this one fits for everything. But they have different tiers as far as the claims. You know, if it's $0 to $5,000, they charge this much, and the adjuster gets a percentage of that fee that the firm charges the insurance company.
Okay.
So again, lots of variables in there, but it's tough to say.
50,000, 100,000.
I was going to say 45 to 65 is a good number, a good range. But you know, there's folks out there that do this part time. They do it seasonal, and they budget their money, and they live that way. They work this storm for the first quarter, second quarter of the year. They don't work during the middle of the year, and then there's something that comes up at the end of the year, and they work that storm. So really, to each their own. But you can make a really good living at it. It just depends on, how much you want to work.
What's the high end potential earnings?
I've heard 250,000, 350,000
A year?
Yeah.
It depends, I think. I think that really depends on your expertise. You're willing to learn. You're willing to.
Of course, yeah.
All those factors come
Right.
involved in that. And that could be a good wind adjuster or property adjuster that makes that with FEMA flood, depending on your level of certification with all that stuff. You can make more than that.